Breaking immigration news, the United States has paused issuing visas for Afghan passport holders and has indicated that it will halt giving asylum decisions for persons of any country until further notice. Now, respect to the pause on visa issuance for Afghans, this affects immigrant visas, non-immigrant visas, family-based consular processing, SIV cases and consular processing for those cases, anyone abroad needing a visa stamp, pretty much a total freeze on visa issuance. This was announced on the State Department's X account as well on the X account of the Secretary of State, Marco Rubio. There was also a separate announcement pertaining to the halting of issuing asylum decisions, and it appears as though this applies only to affirmatively filed asylum cases, meaning cases that were filed with USCIS and not cases with the Immigration Court. The Executive Office of Immigration Review, which the immigration courts are under, has not announced any such pause. So for affirmative asylum applicants, it appears as though interviews can take place, but decisions cannot be issued, which means that people who were days away or weeks away from getting a decision on their case now have to wait. Now, halting decisions in all asylum cases, regardless of nationality, raises serious statutory and constitutional questions. So I imagine that this policy will trigger massive lawsuits. Now, this all comes after the shooting of 2 National Guardsmen, which was purportedly carried out by an Afghan national. It's reported that he came into the United States in 2021 under the Biden administration and was ultimately granted asylum under the Trump administration earlier this year. In addition to the halting of asylum requests as well as pausing all visas for Afghans, the administration has announced that it's going to re-examine green card holders in the United States, as well as halt immigration benefits requests for Afghans, and threatening a pause on all third world country immigration. Last week, the administration also said that it would re-interview every refugee who came into the United States under the Biden administration. Now, to me, it's very clear that none of this is about national security, but an attempt to push an illegal immigration agenda. Now, as far as what Afghans can do right now, it's really important to stay in contact with your immigration attorney, continue to follow trusted sources, as well as stay up to date on everything that's going on. For more immigration news and information, feel free to give us a follow.